अरुण महादेव जैन is going to be an intuitive channelized message. अगर आप भी उनमें से एक हो जिसके लाइफ में हाल फिलहाल में कुछ ऐसा घटित हुआ है जिसमें आपके पैरों तले की जमीन खिसक गई, because trust me, I know. Anyway, let's see what's coming up for you and why this happened and what is related to your family. Okay, and your foundation, your foundation, आपकी रातों की नींद उड़ चुकी है. This includes financial issues. This includes a happy, sovereign world that you had for yourself, which somewhere is troubling you कि अब है कि नहीं है, रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा. You are into a lot of overthinking and anxiety. बहुत सारे डिसीजंस अभी आपको खुद लेने पड़ रहे हैं जो कभी नहीं लेना पड़ा. Responsibilities, because I have 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, 9 of Swords and 2 of Swords in front of, which itself talks about a lot of responsibility. And what I'm channeling is that you have not taken this really well. A lot of trauma is attached to this. Feel that your world is collapsing at this point. Yeah, suddenly from a very immature energy, people are expecting you to become very matured. Suddenly आपका बचपना आपसे छिन गया है, आपको ऐसे फील हो रहा है. बहुत सरप्राइज वाला सिचुएशन था ये, आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि यूनिवर्स आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं. ये ऐसा चैलेंज आपके पास आएगा, ये थ्रो होगा आप पे. दिस वाज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग एंड this was emotionally really uphealing. This is some kind of a karmic justice or a karmic judgment. I don't know how many of you believe in ancestral karma, but this is one of those. Your angel guides are there guiding you. Your angel guides are very strongly protecting you at this point, but this is taking a toll on you, and I completely understand, completely do. I just want to see what's coming up for you. Like, will you be able to break this pattern? Are you the karmic pattern breaker of your family? A lot of responsibilities on you, and that is what is driving you, Coco. You have to take major decisions. You need to balance everything and move forward. It's like playing with fire and poison. I see. It's like playing with fire and poison, and you need to choose one. Like which to gulp down, which to touch, which way to go. Everywhere it seems like it's all rocky lands. It's nothing very fancy. No one would want to be in this situation. Absolutely. You have a fear that going forward, what is going to come, but you are being asked to move forward, irrespective of knowing what is coming or you don't know. Still, you're being asked to move forward and have faith in the divine, because the divine is the divine is actually driving your chariot, guys. जैसे कृष्ण जी ने पार्थ का, I just see that vision from Mahabharat where he was driving Parth and leading him to the war, going through and through it, but still living every second with him, not leaving him alone. Like, it's just that if you're connected with Krishna Ji, if you're connected with Ma Kali, because Krishna Ji and Ma Kali are very parallel, because Ma hi Krishna hai. Or if you're connected, then this is going to be very specific for you specifically. आपका spiritual awakening हो रहा है in a way where you are learning more things about yourself, more things about your lineage, more things about how life works, real side of life. अभी तक एक delusional world में थे और suddenly आपको किसी war में भी जा चुका है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं पता. आपको बस बोला जा रहा है कि आप बस आगे बढ़ो and charge. Like as if you do not have a plan. You have no idea and everything is moving really fast. This is taking a toll on you, I'm telling you. Yeah, see, emotionally this is taking a big toll on you. You feel you're being left out in the cold by the universe and no one is listening to you. You just feel that you have been abandoned and there is no one who is listening to you. You're crying, you're in pain. Yeah, see, my voice is getting heavier. You're crying, you're in pain. It's like you're injured, but there is no one to save you. That kind of a pain. Take some rest. No matter how fast life is going at this point, please take some rest, because अभी मैं ये बोलूंगी ना तो आपको लगेगा कि ठीक रही है, लेकिन things are actually working in your favor. आपको अभी समझ नहीं आएगा. Give it some time, let it unfold. You will know that it is for your highest good. Whatever is happening, it is for your highest good. In a way, you're saving your lineage. In a way, you're saving your ancestors. In a way, you're helping your ancestors break the pattern. In a way, things are going to be fine. Absolutely. See, you're closing the pattern, guys. You are the karmic path pattern breaker of your lineage. This was never going to be easy for you. This was never going to be easy for you. This was going to be the most cruelest, harsh path that you have chosen. But you have now. And there is no other way out. You need to fight, my love. Just fight. Just fight it. Things are going to be fine. Let Krishna ji drive your cart. Let the divine unfold things for you, because here divine justice, divine guidance is there with you all the time, 24 into 7. You're protected, you're guided, you're loved, and I think that's all that matters. One last card will come out as a star. You are the star. It's okay. You are the star. Har Mahadev Jai.